Who's there? Hello. Good morning. Who's there? It's Adolpho and Leo. Oh, let's go. Let's eat. Come on. Let's go. Come on. Come on, Adolpho. Let's go. Leo is waiting right there. What? Come on. What? Are you hungry? Huh? Are you hungry? What? Oh my God, that's so... Look at Leo is waiting. Yeah? Oh. What? Oh, you're so needy. What? Okay, enough. Oh, Leo. Come on. What? Oh, God. Okay, Leo, I'm coming. I'm coming. Adolpho, stop it. You're clawing me. Come on. Okay, coming. Cat chow. Purina cat chow. Alright. Coming. White fish and tuna and sauce. Yes? Breakfast coming. He is so patient, that's good. Usually he meows all the time. This is like the first that he doesn't meow as much. Okay, come here. And Adolpho, where are you, Adolpho? Adolpho, where are you? Come here. Good boy. What are you doing, Adolpho? Playing with the paper? Look at him. I don't know. Keep playing. Yes, Leo.